Hello and welcome to another sports card box opening. Today I have two boxes of gold label from Topps. Still fairly new at the time that I'm recording this release. We're supposed to get one framed autographed card per box. There's more than one pack. I can't remember exactly how many packs are in here. It says 33 cards. So, just going to rip right into... First one, I'm going to do two boxes in this video. I might rip open both boxes, just keep the packs separate so we can kind of think or see what... So that's the first one. And just so we can get the boxes and stuff out of the way. And we'll put the second one up over there. I am going to zoom in a little bit to see the cards a little bit better. Okay, we'll start with the packs from the first box. This one feels heavy, so that's the framed card, so we're going to do that one last. Should be 5 cards in each pack, it says. And there are different levels of cards, or classes they call them. So this is a Tony Gwynn Class 1. You can't probably really read that, but it says Class 1 in there. And I think it's the exact same card, just different classes. And probably rarity. It's like no numbering. Okay, we got a Gavin Sheets Class 3. Ichiro Class 1. This one kind of looks like a refractor, maybe. Doesn't really say on it. Let me see if I can tell a difference between... Maybe not. Maybe it's just the color, the blue color. Makes it look a little different. I'll have to look at the checklist. And a Manny Machado Class 1. I really like it, I've said it in other videos, when they put on the back if it's like a refractor or some other kind of parallel or something. There's a set that Upper Deck does, Allure. So now this one definitely looks more shiny, this Ohtani. But maybe not. Anyways, the set from Upper Deck, the Allure, they put the name of the parallel, the complete name on all the parallels. Not just when it's a refractor on the back. It's a Class 1 Ohtani. Jose Ramirez. Nick Lodolo. Don't think we've seen any parallels or anything yet. Freddie Freeman. And a Michael Cabrera. Both of these are Class 1. Still 2022 stuff coming out. Even though today, when I'm recording this, is actually opening day for 2023. Nice Willie Mays, old card. Mookie Betts, not old card, but former player, I should say. Older player. I haven't seen any numbered cards or anything yet, unless I'm just missing them. Packs with a special insert may only contain 3 cards, it says on the pack. Joey Votto. These are definitely shiny. Xander Bogaerts. It's a Ken Griffey Jr. I wonder if this is a parallel, because it's kind of black. On the side instead of just white, maybe an unnumbered. I don't see any numbering. A Torkelson. We will put the Torque in the sleeve at least. see what kind of season he has. All right, let's get a numbered card or something. Maybe our framed card is going to blow us out of the water. Lars Nootbaar, recently popular from the World Baseball Classic, part of Team Japan. Not the best corner on the bottom right on that one. Kershaw, Xander, and a Juan Soto. That black border one must be some kind of unnumbered parallel. Hunter Green. Hunter Green rookie card. Reed Detmers rookie card. Here we go. Finally, 15 out of 50. Shane Baz rookie card. So we finally got something numbered. And we got 2 Reed Detmers. This is a Class 2 with the white border, Class 1 with the black border. And a Kris Bryant. No longer a Cub, but of Cub infamy. The former Cub factor. Coming into play for Kris Bryant. Numbered card. Not the greatest of corners. Centering looks decent though. Put that up there for now. Okay, now we're going to see our framed card. In the pack with a Roberto Clemente base card, and on the back is an Austin Riley base card. All right, let's see what our framed card is. Nope, that's the back. Well, we already saw who it was. It's Joe Ryan rookie card. These are cool. They got some weight to them. They definitely have some weight. All right, let's, okay, this is the framed cards. We'll do that one last. Go on to the second box. Contreras rookie card. An Aaron Judge. Tatis /99. It's got a little bite on the surface up there. And a Mookie Betts base card. But again, even those base cards are in 3 different classes. There's a Wander base. That one actually looks pretty good. Buster Posey. Another Shane Baz, but this one's to 150. Class 1. Another Jose Ramirez. And a Xander. Were those 2 right next to each other in the last time I got both those cards? The Wonder looks okay. A little bit of white in the corner down there. A little bit of white on the edging on the back, which you probably can't see because it's so minor, but could be the difference between a 9 and a 10. If it went on a trip down to Newport Beach. Well, even different pictures on the Shane Baz's, different uniform on those. I wonder if that's the class. It has different photos. This one's hard to read. I think it says Class 3. All right, so we got a Mackenzie Gore rookie, a Vladdy, Contreras rookie, a Reggie Jackson card, and another Aaron Judge. Is that Reggie Jackson numbered? No. We got 2 numbered cards out of this box so far. Francisco Lindor. Tony Gwynn. He went to my high school. Obviously not at the same time, but he went to Poly in Long Beach, California. Ted Williams. There's a Shohei parallel, the black border parallel. And a Stanton. Jose Ramirez. Bregman. Royce Lewis rookie card. Cody Bellinger. And another Royce Lewis. 2 Royce Lewises in the same pack, different classes. So this one is a class 3. This is a class 1. So slightly different borders. A little darker border on this side. And a different background picture. This card feels heavier too for some weird reason. Maybe my imagination. More than likely, it's my imagination. So there's a Tatis base, another Shohei base, another Bellinger base, a Tatis black border card, a Derek Jeter. All right, let's check out our framed card. So there's a Trey Turner. Also had a good World Baseball Classic. Mariano Rivera on the back. Let's see if that's... No, but it's the black border. And that's upside down, I think. Nope, it's upside down and backwards. Oh well, we'll just flip it over. Oh, Cal Riley. Or Raleigh? Is that how you say his name? That's cool. It's an auto. Oh, they're both auto rookies. Cool. So we got 2 auto rookies. Trey Turner. And I just noticed that I didn't sleeve this numbered Tatis card. So we did get a Wander. 2 of Shane Baz, and we got a Torkelson. So we got a Wander and a Torkelson. So two of the rookies that people were hunting in 2022 products. All right, so there's 2 boxes of Topps Gold Label. I've got 2 more that I'm going to do in another video, so watch for that one. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoy everything I'm putting up on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.